In this video, we'll walk you through how to configure the Region Intrusion function on the new AI-NVR and ADH265 series recorders.
Shield Technology.
Go to Settings and select AI Event. Click AI Event again on the left, then click Region Intrusion. Click Enable Detection by IP Camera. Use the mouse to draw the region points, up to 6 points are supported. Double-click to end the drawing. You can adjust the target size for both people and moto vehicles to avoid false alarms from targets that are further away or too close. You can also select specific detection targets, for example remove people and only detect motor vehicles or vice versa. You can also set different schedule to disable detection when is not necessary. For example, have it enabled 5 days a week instead of 7. Make sure to press Apply when finished. On the Trigger Mode tab you can specify what you want the recorder to do when region intrusion is detected. For example, take snapshot or send a push notification to your phone. You can adjust the duration to avoid too many notifications, but setting it to shorter duration like 3 seconds will give you more accurate real-time alerts. Pressing the number 2 for area will allow you to create a second region for simultaneous region intrusion detection on separate areas. Always press Apply to save any changes. Back on the live display, now you can see both of the regions we created. They are outlined by the green lines. If a person enters this area, the lines will turn red to signal the detected intrusion. At the same time, if enabled, it will also display a snapshot on the target detection feed located on the right side of the live display. Notice how vehicles are detected even when out of the intrusion region. This is what the purple focus lines mean. As the car reverses and touches the green line for a duration longer than 3 seconds, the region intrusion event is triggered as shown by the red line and the target detection feed. Notice the second region doesn't get triggered because the vehicle exited the intrusion area in less than 3 seconds. The system continues to track the vehicle even as the vehicle moves further away. To disable this behavior, you can reduce the target sensitivity or increase the minimum target size. When the vehicle returns, it enters the second area at a slower pace. Since this is longer than 3 seconds, this time the region intrusion alert is triggered on both regions. Notice how the target detection feed shows snapshots for each of the events in real time. The push notifications on your phone are also received instantly. People detected in the area show yellow focus lines. After the first intrusion, to trigger a second alert, the target has to stay inside the region for longer than 5 seconds. Press the 3 dots on any of the snaps on the target detection window to see more details about the event. This is all for this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.